We stopped for a white minivan, and school bus come up behind us, didn't slow down or nothing, just plowed right in the back of us. Yeah, my daughter, she was actually dead at the scene. I managed to revive her while she was still pinned in the vehicle.
We deal with very icy conditions, a lot of black ice. We deal with zero visibility due to the snow and the wind blowing across the highway.
We're here today to promote awareness about tire tread depths and how important they are.
We want to make sure that you're as safe as you possibly can be. How do you think your tires are?
Not very great.
I have no idea.
I don't know, I was thinking about that.
Probably not good.
We scanned your tires and they all failed. Tires did pass.
Oh, perfect.
They failed and you passed. So
That's right on.
You did fail. All your tires do need to be replaced. So we'd like to give you a set of winter tires.
Really? Seriously?
In fact, we want to do it right now for you because your tires are unsafe to drive on.
Don't drive down the road with bad tires. Your life is worth a lot more.